Woohoo, family, listen up. Valentine's Day are come, and Satideh Mawnin Runnings, where culture meets conversation, is turning up the love in a big way. This Saturday, February 14 at 10 a.m., we're celebrating love in all its forms, not just couples. Everybody, family love, friend love, community love, self-love, and the powerful, unstoppable love of God that keeps we grounded. Because hear me now, love is not just romance. Love is the village. Love is support. Love is kindness. Love is you showing up for somebody else. So tune in, log on, and bring the whole crew. We're spreading love across the screens. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Voices with Lady D on YouTube. Let's run this love movement together.